trying to stay dry outside yesterday. My umbrella having trouble with that because of the wind out there as well. So we'll see what's in store for today.
All right, let's go to meteorologist Mike Susko. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Matt and Caitlin. Well, the thing is, the good news is you won't need the umbrella because of rain, but it will be a bad day anyway with the umbrella. We're tracking some more strong winds across the Susquehanna Valley today. We actually have it as an impact day because a wind advisory will go in effect at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Then this weekend, we'll have seasonable temperatures, a few showers potentially early Saturday morning. I think most of that's going to be very isolated. I think most of the weekend's going to be dry. Next week, check this out. If you don't like the cold spring-like temperatures return, we'll get to the mid-60s by middle part of next week. And honestly, there's a good chance we could even get 70 in some cases. But for today, we'll see temperatures actually peak in the morning. 44 will be the high. We'll drop throughout the day today with winds around increasing throughout the afternoon. We'll see 38 as you're heading home from work and school. This evening, partly cloudy, with temperatures right around 34. Tonight we'll drop back to right around freezing, but that wind going to make it feel like the low 20s. So it's going to be another chilly night here across the area. Check out the wind gusts, 45 miles per hour. So a noisy night as well, especially of those windows that rattle in the wind. Tomorrow, partly sunny. It'll be breezy and milder. We could also see a rain or snow shower later Friday night and into early Saturday morning. Again, that is going to be very isolated. Yesterday we got up to 58 degrees and we picked up just under 3/4 of an inch of rain in Harrisburg, which we desperately need. And our average high this time of year is 47 degrees. Here are some of the other rainfall reports from the past 24 hours. We got anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to over 1.25 inches there in Fort Indiantown Gap in Lebanon County. So some much needed rain across the area. The rain has now moved out. You're looking outside Harrisburg right now. It is going to be cooler and windier as we go through the day today. Already seeing sustained winds over 20 miles per hour with gusts around 30 in the capital city. Now, Storm Team Live radar network showing a couple showers that we had earlier in Lebanon and Lancaster County. Those are moving out as the cold front continues to move off to the east, but winds are coming behind it and they're going to be out of the west-northwest, and that's what's going to be bringing us those strong winds through today. We have that wind advisory going into effect from 2 o'clock this afternoon to 4 a.m. on Friday morning, and again, that's for those gusts getting upwards of 45 to near 50 miles per hour, particularly in the higher elevations. So you want to make sure that if you have any loose objects that you are tying them down so they don't get blown around, especially your garbage cans, or else you're going to be chasing them down the street here tomorrow morning. We're also going to be watching for the potential for some scattered power outages because of those winds, and that could knock down some tree branches. And when we look at the wind gust forecast, they do stay above 25 miles per hour throughout the entire day today, again peaking above 45, 50 miles per hour throughout the area. Now here's a look at predictor. As we go through the day today, we do stay dry. Any snow showers will stay off to the west, but we will see those winds continue throughout the afternoon and into this evening with a partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, it's quiet, but it's going to be still windy throughout your Friday, even though the wind advisory will expire early in the morning. And then here comes that rain, snow shower chance I was talking about potentially Friday night into Saturday morning. Again, very isolated, but it looks like that as we head into Saturday for the rest of the weekend, things will be clearing out here. So your 10-day forecast, once we get through the wind today and tomorrow, for the weekend, it's a bit cooler. We'll be in the mid to upper 40s here. Also, don't forget you spring ahead Saturday night into Sunday morning, so we do lose an hour of sleep, unfortunately, this weekend. But next week, at least we get a little bit of some nice weather here. We'll get into the mid to upper 60s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Chance to shower by the end of next week.
Okay.